Sabaidi Pinong, Happy Pi Mai. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make cranberry thum. It's very similar to crabapple thum. It's sour, very tart with an umami flavor, and it's an excellent way to get rid of those extra cranberries left over from the holidays. I'm going to go over the ingredients with you. First, we're going to use fresh, clean cranberries. I prefer the Blue Water Farms brand. Also, we will be using some palm sugar. You could substitute white sugar, fresh Thai pepper, fresh garlic, fresh peeled ginger, lime juice, optional MSG, and of course Khao, which is a very important ingredient. It's toasted rice powder. I have a video that you can check out to learn how to make this. Unfiltered fish sauce, Padaek, and filtered fish sauce. I prefer Three Crabs brand. You'll also need your sack or a mortar and pestle. And then I like to use this device because it gets more juice out of the limes. Alright, so we're gonna get started with washing all of our cranberries really well. We wanna make sure that we also knock off that excess water so that our cranberries are semi-dry before we get started on the process. Into our mortar goes our palm sugar, and we'll want to make sure that we pound that down to a powdery consistency. Palm sugar does have a tendency sometimes to stick, so I just use a spoon to scrape it off the bottom of my mortar. And then we'll add in our fresh ingredients. That includes our ginger, garlic, and Thai pepper. And again, we're going to smash that down to the consistency that we like, almost like a paste, but you could leave some larger chunks too if that's your preference. Then I'll pop in my dry ingredients like MSG, Khao. I use a lot of Khao, but just go for what taste that you like. And then we'll pound that down some more until it looks about like this. Then we'll add our fresh cranberries. And then we're gonna thumb those cranberries, and you're gonna hear them pop, and they'll soften up a bit through the thumbing process. Just a reminder, all of the ingredients, the measurements, and links to products are in the description box below the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We're down to our last few ingredients to add to our mortar. Number one is going to be the lime juice. Use more or less depending on how sour of a taste you like. Then we'll add our fish sauce, which is filtered, and then our Padaek, which is an unfiltered fish sauce. It's a little bit thicker, a little bit stronger of a flavor. And now we're going to thumb all of this together. Just make sure you get in there, thumb it really well, and then add it to a serving plate and enjoy. I think that this dish looks really pretty. It's very tasty. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my videos. Cup Chai.